welcome to the modern sugar manufacturing facility. In this program, we will follow the complete industrial process that transforms harvested sugarcane into high-quality, refined sugar. Every operation in this factory is engineered for precision, cleanliness, and efficiency. From raw materials to final packaging, each stage is controlled by automated systems designed to deliver consistent and reliable results.
The production cycle begins as freshly harvested sugarcane arrives at the factory. Automated unloading platforms transfer the sugarcane onto moving conveyors. As the cane advances, it passes through high-powered washing units that remove dirt, sand, and unwanted materials. This initial cleaning step ensures that only clean, contaminant-free sugarcane proceeds to the preparation line.
Cleaned cane is then directed toward the preparation stage. Heavy-duty shredders slice the cane into uniform pieces, increasing efficiency in the extraction process. The shredded cane enters a series of mechanical mills where large pressurized rollers compress the material. This compression releases sugar-rich juice, which is collected through a controlled flow system and transported to the clarification area. The leftover fiber, known as bagasse, is automatically conveyed to a separate handling system for further use as fuel or raw material.
Once extracted, the sugarcane juice contains natural impurities that must be removed. In the clarification tanks, the juice is heated to a stable temperature and mixed with carefully measured treatment agents. These substances help separate impurities from the liquid. Through a controlled settling process, suspended particles move to the surface or settle at the bottom, leaving a clear, purified juice that is suitable for concentration.
The clarified juice moves into the evaporator station, where excess water is removed. Using a multi-effect evaporation system, the juice flows through a sequence of vessels connected by heat exchangers. Each vessel operates at a different pressure level, allowing the juice to thicken gradually without overheating. By the end of this stage, the liquid has transformed into a dense, amber-colored syrup with a high sugar content.
The concentrated syrup is transferred into large vacuum pans where the crystallization process begins. Inside these enclosed vessels, temperature and pressure are carefully regulated. A small amount of seed crystals is introduced, guiding the formation of uniform sugar crystals. Over time, the crystals grow in size as more sugar is deposited on their surfaces. The result is a mixture of crystals and remaining syrup known as masaquite.
The massacute is pumped into industrial centrifuges that rotate at high speed. As the drums spin, the centrifugal force separates the solid crystals from the liquid molasses. The crystals adhere to the walls of the centrifuge, while the molasses drains through the filtering layers. After the spinning cycle completes, clean and well-formed raw sugar crystals are discharged onto conveyors for further processing. The raw sugar contains residual moisture that must be removed to ensure long-term storage stability. It enters a rotary drying cylinder where controlled warm air circulates through the crystals. Once dried, the sugar travels through enclosed cooling systems that stabilize its temperature. This controlled environment prevents clumping and prepares the crystals for final refining. The dried sugar passes through the refining line, a sequence of systems that improve purity, color, and texture. The crystals are dissolved, filtered, washed, and recrystallized under carefully monitored conditions. After this process, the crystals achieve the consistent clarity and whiteness required for food-grade refined sugar. Automated conveyors then transport the refined product to the quality control area. In the quality control zone, advanced diagnostic equipment examines each batch of sugar. The systems measure parameters including crystal size distribution, moisture content, color levels, and chemical purity. Data from these sensors ensures that the sugar meets strict industrial and food safety standards before it is approved for packaging.
Food safety standards.
The final stage of production is packaging.
Robotic filling systems distribute the refined sugar into bags, pouches, or bulk containers, depending on customer requirements. Each package is sealed, labeled, and scanned for accuracy. Automated palletizing machines stack the finished products neatly and prepare them for shipment. From here, the refined sugar is transported to markets and distribution centers, supporting industries and consumers across the world.